Your girl got a new bag. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy back again with another video, and today we're doing our first unboxing from Coach. Yes, this is the perfect work / school bag. I'm in my grown woman era. I was so excited. First of all, let's talk about the box that this baby came in. Girl, I was not expecting it. It came in this humongous box. It was so huge that literally the front desk asked me to open it because of how big it was. Like it just didn't make any sense. Like, girl, like I legit was just like, this box is so big, all for it to just have this bag in it. I was like, listen, Coach wanted me to secure the bag. It was like, girl, we not laying your bag. Nothing happened to it, because it didn't have to be so big, but it was. So this is the Nina tote bag. I got it specifically for work / school. Everything you want to carry in this baby. It's the perfect bag. I got it in silver black. So let's go ahead and first unbox it, because you know we gotta all this. Oh, and I also got a gift. Okay, so wait, before we finish unboxing it, I got a gift with my order. It was a part of one of their sales, and I think it was like a mini coin purse, change purse. I forgot about this. It's so cute. Look how adorable that is. You could put like a little lipstick in it, or like some change or whatever. It's so tiny and so cute. Oh, it is floral. Yeah, this is a cute change purse. This is such, and I used to love when my grandma had like little change purses. It just made it convenient when you're looking for change. So that's it. I love it so much. Okay, getting into the bag. We're finishing up. Look at, ooh, so sleek. Girl, the handles are strong. I love me a thick leather handle. Look at this. Look how nice this is. Like, oh my gosh. We're gonna take out all this stuff. All this stuff. Go and take out. Then rip this apart. Oh my god. This is a wine purple. That is sexy. It's like a tint of brown and purple. That is so cute. And it has an automatic magnet, so it closes like that. It has 2 zippers, as you can see, for the opening. And I'm sure you could put like your laptop paperwork in here. If you want to put your tablet in there, you can. So you have 2 zipper openings, which is amazing. Oh my god, this is so cute. So it features an inside zip pocket, inside cell phone pocket. It has a magnetic snap closure, side zip compartments, and 4 protective feet at base. So this is what they're talking about right here, the feet part, so that the bag is not sitting on like a table or ground. It's like elevated a little bit, which is great, because if you end up like spilling something or like that, it doesn't get on the bag, which is so smart. I love just how clean, minimal, sleek this is. It's so cute. This is a great everyday work bag. It's definitely a great school bag if you're doing your master's or PhD, if you grow woman status, if you're getting an interview, whatever the case may be. This is so professional. Like, it's so perfect. And then the little tassel right here that says Coach. You already know. And I got it for such a steal. I got it off of the Coach outlet website. It was $170. It was on sale, on top of sale, and I got it for $170. I think now it's like $250. I would say wait for the sale, but yeah, I got it on sale, and I got a little gift to go with it. So this goes right in here. Can I tell you guys a little secret? I got it in another color. I just had to. These are like the 2 colors that goes with everything. If you are a minimalist girly, if you are a neutral girly, if you are in general just need an everyday bag, This is just like the perfect, like, everyday essential bag. So I was like, girl, we gotta get both colors. We gotta get both colors. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. Like, if I like it, I get in another color. Literally, literally. This is definitely for that girl that is looking to just elevate her wardrobe, elevate her look. It's literally the same bag. It's just in this beautiful light sandal. That's the color tone name that they gave it. It's such a beautiful brown shade. Like, it's that perfect brown shade that literally would go with any coat, any outfit, just anything. It's scrumptious, chef's kiss. And the inside is brown as well. It's a darker brown inside, and it's the same setup with 2 zippers, magnetic closure, handle, tassel. So freaking cute. So that wraps up today's video. You already know, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. And let me know if you want me to do a what's in my bag, so I can show you everything that I'm carrying. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.